In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress locally on your computer using XAMPP. This is a fantastic way to develop and test your website in a secure environment without the need for a web host. So, let's dive in and get started. First of all, make sure you have XAMPP installed on your computer. Once you have that covered, we'll start by opening the XAMPP control panel. Here, look for the Apache and MySQL lines. You'll see a series of buttons beside them. Go ahead and click Start for both Apache and MySQL. This is crucial because Apache will handle your web server, while MySQL is your database server. When both services are running, you'll notice they turn green, indicating they are good to go. Next, you'll need to create a project folder. To do this, navigate to the XAMPP directory on your computer. It's typically located under C+AMP+HT docs. In this directory, create a new folder. You can name it whatever you like, perhaps something like My Website to keep things straightforward. Once the folder is created, extract the WordPress zip file that you downloaded earlier into this new folder. Your final path should look something like this. C+AMPP docs My Website. This setup places your WordPress files where they need to be for your local server to find and use them. With your files in place, it's time to set up your database. Open a new browser window and type in http://localhost/phpMyAdmin. This will take you to the phpMyAdmin interface, which is a tool for managing MySQL databases. Look for the Databases tab and click on it. Here, you'll want to create a new database. Name it something simple like WordPress DB. You don't need to worry about creating tables. WordPress will handle that automatically. Now we run the WordPress installer. In your browser's address bar, type http://localhost/mywebsite and hit enter. You'll be greeted by a WordPress setup page. First, you'll choose your preferred language. After that, you'll need to enter some database connection details. For the database name, enter WordPress/DB. Following that, the username should be root, and you should leave the password field empty. Make sure the host is set to localhost. Finally, you'll go through the site setup, where you'll create a site title and set up your username and password for WordPress itself. Once this step is completed, you will land on the WordPress dashboard at http://localhost/mywebsite/wp-admin. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now running locally, and you can begin exploring and customizing it to your heart's content. Thank you for following along, and happy developing.